No way it's that fucking easy, dude. No fucking way, bro. No way, dude. No way. I accidentally broke one of these back in September or October of last year, and I was shocked. I used that same OTC body clip removal tool that I've been using for 2 years, 3, and took many successfully off. My goal is to be able to take these off with like 0.0001% chance of it fucking breaking.
So we're going to show you how these pliers on a standard Ford mirror will release this clip without touching the glass.
It's going to be the first time trying the modified long nose vice grips.
Basically gonna slide right up here into the clip, adjust the pliers, clamp the pliers down, a little tension on the clip, you push it up, release the pliers without touching the window. So easily slide the mirror off.
It's off.
That's what the clip looks like. Slides back on. Here, it snap into place.
Right. Snap back in place. Squeeze it.
Mirror does not move. Same exact thing. I'll show you real quick. Does not touch the glass. Clamp it on.
Like that.
Slide the mirror up.